You want a flatter belly and a stronger core, but do not want a long workout or a million crunches? Perfect! In the next 10 minutes we will switch your deep core on, and you will feel it, trust me. Come down onto your back in tabletop position. Place your hands on your low belly. Inhale, let the belly expand. Exhale and gently tighten like you are zipping up tight jeans. Keep this engaged core for the rest of your workout. And let's begin with lowering the right foot towards the mat. Inhale, left foot lowers. Exhale, lift back. Inhale, right foot lowers. Exhale, lift back. Inhale, left foot lowers. Exhale, lift back. Go slow. This is where the work happens. Mini challenge. Can you keep your back completely still for the next 4 reps? Almost done. Great job. Let's have a quick breather. Now as you exhale, tap the right toes towards the mat. Inhale, return. Exhale, tap the left toes. Inhale, return. Exhale, right toes. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left toes. Inhale, lift. If your back wants to lift, tap closer to your body. That's still good. This is your practice, so adjust it towards your level. Stay in control, no rushing. Halfway through the burn. Don't forget to breathe. Core fully engaged. And you're done. Now for our dead bug. We will lower the right leg, and as you lower, the left arm comes down too. Inhale, return. Exhale, left leg reaches away as the right arm reaches back. Move like you are resisting water. Slow, quiet, controlled. Is your back still fully pressed on the ground? Three, 2, 1. Let's do our 100s. Arms long by your sides, hovering off the mat. Lift your head and chest only if it feels good. If not, keep the head down. Start pumping the arms. Inhale for 5. Exhale for 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Small, fast pumps. Belly stays drawn in. Low back stays grounded. You are almost there. Stay with me. It will become easier the more you do it. Last set. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. Hug the knees in for a quick rest. Then roll to one side and come onto hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, toes tucked. On your exhale, press the floor away and hover both knees off the mat. Inhale. Exhale, tighten the core. Inhale. Exhale, keep holding. Hold. Hold. And lower. Come into a high plank. Exhale, right knee pulls in towards the chest. Inhale, left knee. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Every exhale is a core squeeze. You can modify by doing slow mountain climbers. Quick check. Are your shoulders stacked over wrists? Stay with me. You are building real strength here. And come into a quick child's pose. Breathe in and out. Just one more exercise and you're done with today's workout. Lower down to your forearms, elbows on your shoulders. Tuck the tailbone slightly so the low back feels supported. Hips in one line. Belly pulls up towards the spine. We will hold for just 1 minute. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale, tighten the waist. You are stronger than your mind thinks. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into a well-deserved child's pose, and then we'll stretch it out. Come back to hands and knees. Inhale, chest forward, tailbone lifts. Exhale, round the spine, pull the belly in. Now tuck your toes and lift into a gentle downward dog. Lower the knees, chest, chin. Inhale into low cobra or upward dog, opening the front body. Exhale back into downward dog. Then come into a seated position alongside the middle of your mat. On our last inhale, let's reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Notice your center. Notice the warmth in your core. That's your deep strength waking up. You just finished 10 minutes of core work, beginner friendly, but effective. I'd advise you do this between 3 to 5 times a week to build real deep core strength. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you stayed to the end, comment 3 fire emojis so I know you did it. Thank you, and until next time.